Yeah, guys, this fishing experience is non-existent. Monsoon rain, thunder, lightning, shouldn't be on the water. Trying to make a YouTube video. Even the fish are wearing rain jackets. I think I just saw a catfish with an umbrella. And of course, it's my only day off. Alrighty. I hope you're having better luck than I am. Well, guys, I didn't get it on video, but all this rain and bullshit, excuse my French, is worth it. I finally got a decent smallmouth. This is like literally my first smallmouth this size. I normally do bass fishing, largemouth bass fishing, lakes and stuff, but this is my first smallmouth, river smallmouth, that is. Absolute beautiful fish. Excuse my language, guys. It's been one heck of a day with the wind and the rain. All right, guys. Gotta get a measurement on this. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna hold him. He ain't getting loose. Okay, guys. Let me see if we can get that on video. Shoot. Okay. He's a 17-inch smallmouth. All right. Bear with me, guys. It's been a rough morning. Another look at it real quick. I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna get a weight. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see that. He's 1 pound, 3 ounce. Hopefully you can see it. All right, let's get him back in the water. One more look. I'm happy, guys. He's a fatty too. He's chunky. My first smallmouth, river smallmouth. All right, guys, my first smallmouth, river smallmouth, that is. Let's get the release. There he goes. Awesome. All right, everybody, the storm is taking a break for now. See what happens. Hopefully we get some more luck before we leave, because we've been here for quite some time and fighting the elements, and it's crazy. It was heavy rain, thunder, lightning. Supposed to be 20-mile-an-hour gusts. See how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe if you would. It's greatly appreciate it. If anybody's wondering what I caught that smallmouth on, it was a spinner with a swim bait trailer. And of course, it was like 5 feet from the boat. That's why I always tend to reel all the way to the boat. Don't lift the rod early, just reel it all the way to the boat. Because sometimes they follow. all the way. Can't tell you how many times I've had it come out of the water right by the boat and missed it. Missed the catch. Okay, everybody, I'm going to do my outro here. Boy, what a day. High winds, 20-mile-an-hour gusts, pouring down rain. Trying to find shelter under the bridge, it was just crazy. But I did get my first river smallmouth, that 17-inch smallmouth. I think it was a 1 pound, can't remember the exact ounces. But yeah, it was quite the trip. But I didn't get skunked. Thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe if you would. And until next time, good luck fishing, and I'll see you in the next one.